What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? So today I'd like to give you a quick video. Maybe not that quick. Since I was the first one to fully wrap a Ryker on YouTube, you could check it out. It'll pop up there. I figure I'd give you like a 1-year review on how the wrap held up. And it was garage kept and covered, but it had its moments when it stayed outside for a few, or when it was, caught in the rain or whatever. So check it out. I'm gonna go over the bike and break it down to you and tell you what it's like after 1 year. So this is what's known as a shadow black wrap, and it's actually not shiny, it's a matte black. So what it does is, because they call it shadow black, when it hits the sun, I'm gonna see if I get a close-up on it. When it hits the sun, these patterns start to move around in different directions. So just to give you a breakdown of how it held up, I'm going to walk around here and show you. Okay, so right here is where I had an issue. It started to come up, and that's a spot that I heated. And right now you can see that it's split and it came up and separated. So that was one of the major problems I had. Only in that spot. This area right here stayed up pretty good, even though it had got gasoline on it a few times, spilled on it, but the wrap held up pretty good. Let's do this. Go down here where my foot hit a lot, stayed up, no problems, no scraping. Here's some corners over here, they didn't pull up. Let's go around to the other side. So also in this corner here, on the same side, that's the same spot. It didn't stay well, so it started to come up and then it cracked. I don't know if that's from age, but that's something that just happened. Over here, you can see some scuffing and some scraping, but that was from me. And up here you can see that was scuffing and scraping from my cell phone. Must have hit a few times. But overall, after 1 year, I say the wrap held up pretty good. If you want to watch my installation video on how I did it, that's going to be in the link below, and it will pop up at the end. So thanks everybody. This is wrapping the Ryker 1-year review.